Welcome back to the garden, my green-thumbed friends. I'm so excited for today's video because we're diving deep into the wonderful world of lemongrass, a plant that's as versatile as it is beneficial. If you're looking for natural ways to enhance your health and well-being, you've come to the right place. We'll be exploring the top 10 reasons why you should consider adding lemongrass to your life, from its incredible digestive support to its mood-boosting properties. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to grow right in your own backyard. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Let's be honest, we've all experienced those days when our digestion just isn't cooperating. Bloating, constipation, indigestion, they're no fun at all. But before you reach for over-the-counter remedies, consider the natural power of lemongrass. This incredible plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe digestive discomfort. It works by gently stimulating the digestive system, helping things move along smoothly and efficiently. Imagine saying goodbye to that uncomfortable, heavy feeling after meals and hello to a happier, healthier gut. In today's world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from the environment, processed foods, and even stress. It's more important than ever to give our systems a helping hand in flushing out these harmful substances, and that's where lemongrass comes in. This powerful plant acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body get rid of excess water and waste through urination. But it doesn't stop there. Lemongrass also supports the liver, kidneys, and bladder, the organs responsible for filtering and eliminating toxins. Think of it as a gentle, natural cleanse for your entire system. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic low-grade inflammation can wreak havoc on our bodies, contributing to a wide range of health problems. The good news is that lemongrass contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help combat this issue. These compounds work by targeting the root cause of inflammation, reducing pain, swelling, and discomfort. Whether you suffer from arthritis, joint pain, or general aches and pains, incorporating lemongrass into your routine could provide much-needed relief. Stress less, live more. Lemongrass for anxiety relief. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and anxious, but finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both our mental and physical well-being. Lemongrass, with its soothing aroma and calming properties, can be your secret weapon against stress. Imagine sipping a warm cup of lemongrass tea after a long day, feeling the tension melt away with each sip. The calming effect of lemongrass extends beyond its aroma. It actually works on a chemical level to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Boost your immune system naturally. Lemongrass as your shield. A strong immune system is our best defense against those pesky colds, flu, and other infections that seem to pop up at the worst times. And while there's no magic bullet for preventing illness, incorporating immune-boosting foods and herbs into your diet can make a world of difference. Lemongrass is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to strengthen your body's natural defenses. Think of it as providing your immune system with the tools it needs to fight off invaders and keep you feeling your best. Radiant skin, naturally. Lemongrass for a healthy glow. We all dream of having clear, radiant skin, but achieving that healthy glow often requires a multifaceted approach. While skincare products certainly play a role, what we put into our bodies is just as important as what we put on them. Lemongrass, with its antibacterial and antifungal properties, can be a game changer for your skin. It helps to fight off acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and even out skin tone. Imagine incorporating lemongrass into your routine and seeing a noticeable difference in your skin's clarity and radiance. A natural way to support your weight goals. Maintaining a healthy weight is a journey that involves a balanced approach to diet, exercise, and lifestyle choices. While lemongrass isn't a miracle weight loss solution, it can be a valuable tool in your weight management arsenal. This powerful plant can help boost metabolism, the process by which your body burns calories for energy. By supporting a healthy metabolism, lemongrass can aid in weight loss and help you achieve your goals more effectively. Finding relief from menstrual discomfort. Lemongrass as a natural soother. For many women, menstrual cramps and discomfort are an unfortunate monthly reality. But before reaching for over-the-counter pain relievers, consider the natural soothing power of lemongrass. A warm cup of lemongrass tea has long been used as a traditional remedy for menstrual cramps. It works by relaxing the muscles of the uterus, easing those painful spasms, and providing much-needed relief. Imagine finding comfort and relief from menstrual discomfort naturally, without relying solely on medication. Smile brighter. Lemongrass for optimal oral health. A healthy smile is a sign of overall well-being, and maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for preventing cavities, gum disease, and other dental problems. While brushing and flossing are essential, incorporating natural antimicrobial agents like lemongrass into your routine can take your oral health to the next level. Lemongrass helps to fight bacteria in the mouth, reducing plaque buildup and promoting fresh breath. Antioxidant, powerhouse lemongrass for long-term health. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, contributing to aging and chronic diseases. Antioxidants, as their name suggests, help to neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our bodies from their damaging effects. Lemongrass is an excellent source of antioxidants, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. By incorporating lemongrass into your routine, you're giving your body an extra layer of protection against the damaging effects of free radicals. Grow your own lemongrass. Easy tips for a bountiful harvest. And there you have it, my friends. 10 amazing benefits of lemongrass that just might inspire you to add this incredible plant to your life. But the benefits don't stop there. Not only is lemongrass good for you, but it's also incredibly easy to grow right in your own backyard or even in pots on your patio. Here are some quick planting tips. Choose a sunny spot, use well-draining soil, and water regularly but avoid overwatering. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing my top tips for growing a thriving lemongrass patch, from selecting the right variety to harvesting and using your fresh, homegrown lemongrass. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. Until next time, happy gardening.